friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryl with iStylEmystyle, and today we are going to do a little clean and decorate with me. So you guys know I have showed you my urban jungle theme and my lounge. So today we're going to be cleaning and decorating the loft in an urban jungle theme with a little bit more color. So if you're interested in some summer decorating ideas that are not the norm, a little outside the box, something no one else has to give you a little home decor inspiration for summer, well, make sure you keep watching. All right, so today we are going to change out our curtains to our jungle curtains, and I hope they look okay. We shall see. I like it. I think I like it. Let's take a closer look. Okay, the lighting is really bad, but if you could see, this is how our curtains look. I am loving the green and black. Step back a little bit. Look at them. Oh my gosh. So nice. So this is the first step in making my urban jungle theme come to life, and I absolutely am loving it so far. All right, guys, so I have added some green and black curtains to the space. You guys saw me putting those up, and I think it just gives the room a vibe, and I love it. So I am going to add something else to kick up the urban jungle vibe just a notch. So I wanted to get some peel and stick wallpaper, and peel and stick wallpaper is very expensive, and I'm like, you know, it's going to be temporary. I don't want to pay that much money. I want it to be cost effective. So what I did is I went to Yahoo and Google Images, and I searched images of jungle foliage or monstera leaves on a black background. So I found something that I liked. I took a screenshot of it with my phone. I sent it to Walgreens and I had it printed in a 24 by 36. So I'm going to try to use that as our wallpaper. So yeah, I want to give it a little oomph. I'm going to bring it up a notch. So that's what we're going to do now. We're going to install that to give us a wallpaper look on a budget, because I was able to get six panels. I'm calling them panels. They're actually prints, but the first 4 they printed had lines in it. So they weren't going to sell them to me because it was a little pixelated, but they said they were going to throw them away. I said, hey, if we're going to throw them away, I'll take them anyway. So when you look at them from far away, you can't even really tell the lines are there. So let me put it up and then I'll come back and show you. All right, so I know the lighting is horrible in here, so I want to apologize in advance, but this is what we're going to be working with. Can you see the lines? I don't think you can from far away. So yeah, we're going to put this up and then we'll come back and I'll show you the finished look. Alright guys, so that's how it's looking. Don't mind me. I had a hard day and don't have any makeup on and just my hair up, so yeah. But I love the way this looks. So I need to add another piece. Because it doesn't extend all the way, I'm going to extend my curtain over. Let's see how this looks. All right guys, so the panels are up and this is how it's looking. My urban jungle is starting to come to life. I'm so excited. So I'm sorry again for the poor lighting, but just so you can see, this is how the panel looks. I absolutely love it. And as I said, from far away, you really just cannot see the lines that are in there. And so those were free. So absolutely love free. So this is how it's looking. It's going to be a vibe in here, a very moody urban jungle vibe, and I cannot wait. I've set a couple of plants around so you guys can get a hint of what it's going to look like. But I have a couple of pieces that have not arrived yet. So this is all you are going to see for now until they come in, and then I'll come back hopefully within 3 or 4 days and show you the finished look. But leave me a comment down below and let me know what you're thinking so far. I would love to hear your comments. If you have any thoughts, suggestions, I would love to know. So yeah, absolutely love, love, love. I think it's perfect. So leave me a comment and let me know what you think.